How to apply Wise card. If you want to apply for a Wise card, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is make sure that you have installed the Wise application there, and make sure that you're logged into your account when you open it up right there. Now once you're here, you will see this type of interface, and what you have to do is, after you're logged in, you'll find this option at the bottom that says card. So all you have to do is tap on the card option, and here you can see this global spending made simple, send abroad, spend abroad and at home, no markups or no transaction fees. So here you'll find a button that says order a debit card, where you can simply tap on it. It will take you to the next page where you can follow up with a couple of instructions, and once you follow up with those instructions, then you'll be able to go ahead and simply order your debit card or whatever else it is you can apply for a card. And this way you'll be able to apply virtual card on Wise. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.